And the truth is, there's something terribly wrong with this country, isn't there? Cruelty and injustice, intolerance and oppression.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa.
Gang, welcome to this episode. This is Shape Your English. My name is Arya. And Shape Your English, yes, Shape Your English is a channel that is going to make you learn English with idioms, phrases, and with what? But with what? Movies, yes. So in today's special episode, we have V for Vendetta, an all-time classic. Come on, karate chops, knives, everything. Doesn't get sicker than this, guys. Doesn't get sicker than this. V for Vendetta, amazing movie, guys. Check it out. What did you think about this movie? I would love to see your opinions and your thoughts about this. Anyways, we're not here for a movie review. No, we're here to learn English with V for Vendetta. Anyways, before we begin, hit that like button, subscribe it, hit that subscribe button, and enjoy.
Because while the truncheon may be used in lieu of conversation...
Oh, on to our first sentence. Now this one is going to sound super French. Now guys, do you know what happens when something sounds super French? Well, it sounds amazing, does it not? Now our first word is in lieu of. In lieu of. Now, what's the meaning of this very fancy word? What is this beautiful word, huh? What does it mean? What is it? It means instead of. Simply put, instead of. It's just instead of.
Again, truth be told, if you're looking for the guilty, you need only look into a mirror.
On to our second sentence is truth be told. Truth be told. Truth be told means when you're giving your very honest opinion or feedback about something. Now, most people say, honestly, I want to tell you this. Hey, can I be honest? Hey, let me tell you the truth. But you gotta say it from the chest. That's where the power comes from in this sentence. Truth be told. Truth be told. Now, let me give you an example of this one, okay? Your friend thinks he's a DJ or he's a singer, all right? He sings a song. He says, hey, bruh, let me play it for you. Let me play you my song. He plays you the song, and you're deeply thinking in yourself, wow. This song is terrible. He says, hey bro, so what do you think about my song? And should you tell him the truth or not? Now, I'm gonna tell him the truth, okay? Because I'm a good friend, I'm a true friend, and I'm gonna tell him the truth. I'm gonna be like, bro, truth be told, I don't like the beats, and I think you shouldn't be a singer in life.
Emotional damage!
Guys, I'm proud of you. Well done for finishing this video. Make sure to check out these two videos as well. You're going to love them. And thank you again. See you on the next one.